कोयर व्यवस्थापन मंत्री मायकल लोबोन वायगिणी कोयर प्रकल्पाक विरोध करपी लोकांक सरळ सरळ शिटकावणीच दिल्या। एक तर दुसरो जागो दाखयात नाजाल्यार तिसवाडी तालुकोच सोडून वचात। कोयर तुमी तयार करप आनी आमी ताचेर प्रक्रिया खंय करप असो ताचो पडतो प्रस्न।
पर्रा साळगांव जंक्शनाचेर बांदिल्लो फुटपाथ आनी पार्किंग सुवातेच्या उक्तावणा वेळार मायकल उलयतालो। 56 गांवांक शार म्हणून घोशीत करपाच्या निर्णयाचें ताणें समर्थन केलां। गांवांच्या फायद्या खातीरच हो निर्णय घेतिल्ल्याचें मायकल म्हणटा।
They don't want Bangini, let them show the alternate site. Tiswadi requires a plant, and if they say that it doesn't require a plant, then they should leave Tiswadi. They are creating garbage every day. Restaurants are creating, they are creating. Where they will dispose? You tell me one simple thing. If this area did not have a facility at Kalangut or Plateau, where we would dispose? You see, Bangini is being monitored by Honorable High Court and National Green Tribunal, Pune. They are monitoring, and we have to file status report. Every 2 months, whenever the case comes up on solid waste management, we have to file status report, and we are going on filing status report. In that, we have filed an affidavit that Bangini will solve the problem of entire Tiswadi. So, government is in the right track. They are opposing, they should tell us the solution. They are creating garbage themselves. They should tell us solution where they want to dispose it scientifically. As per the GWMC Goa Waste Management Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. How they are going to dispose and where they are going to dispose. If they are bringing solution, we need not put a plant in Bangini. Apprehensions will come the minute you are declared as urban area. Apprehensions will come. But it is for their own benefit. People are opposing so many things in Goa and nobody stops them. It is their right to oppose. And if the criticism is good, we need to change. We need to change. If the criticism is bad, we just need to smile at them and ignore them.
रोहन खवटेक जाल्ले अटकेचेरूय तो उलयलो। पळयात तो कितें म्हणटा तो।
पण बजेटाक त्यांनी डिसरप्ट करूंक पानासलें. I don't agree with the opposition on disrupting the budget.
But do you agree that an MLA is picked up in the midnight?
See, I don't agree to that. That is, I told you no. पण aggrieved झाला त्याने complain केला. The decision of the police.
पर्राच्यान आमचो खबराकार संदीप कमुलकार।